This is how you change out your ignition coil or coil pack on a 2019 Ford Fusion. Should be the same application for 2013 through 2020. Part number is DG562. The coil packs are all the same, so it does not matter if it's the first, second, third, or fourth cylinder as far as your misfire. This is going to be for, again, a 2019 2.0 EcoBoost turbo engine. This is going to be really simple. The main tool you need is just a 8mm, in my case, ratchet. You can use a wrench. You're going to break it loose. It's only about 7 foot-pounds or 13 foot-pounds. I'm not too sure. I'll check on that. But break it loose, remove it. Really easy clip here. This sensor clip is simple. You just pull back and then you pull down and then remove. So really easy, nothing crazy. Let me go ahead and remove it from the packaging and insert that, and then I'll go ahead and resume. All right, perfect. So remove the coil pack. This is a Motorcraft, so it's OEM. It's really simple. You just pull it up. We'll check. It's nothing too crazy. To reinstall, it's just inserting it and then mess with there's rubber right here. You want to make sure the seal's good, and then it's butted up to right there. So just ensure the seal is good all around, and then reinsert the screw. Let me go ahead and do that. And this is gonna be there. I'm gonna hand thread it in. All right, to reinsert the sensor, just gonna push and then push this forward to go. Let me go ahead and tighten this down. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pause it. And again, it was not too tight, just snug. 7 foot-pounds. Honestly, it was just hand tight, and I was able to break it loose really easily. And that's it. Hope that helps.